In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Zoom using Zapier. This handy integration can save you loads of time by automating the process of adding new registrants to your Zoom meetings or webinars directly from Typeform submissions. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide for setting it up. First, we'll need to head over to Zapier. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a platform that allows you to automate workflows by connecting different apps. So once you're on the Zapier website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one. It's very straightforward and will open up many new possibilities for automation. After logging in, you'll want to click on the Create Zap button. A zap is essentially an automated workflow that consists of a trigger and one or more actions. In this case, Typeform submissions will serve as the trigger and Zoom registrations as the action. We'll start by setting up the trigger. Select Typeform as the app for this step. Once you have Typeform selected, you need to pick the event that will trigger the zap, which is New Entry. This means whenever someone completes your Typeform survey or question set, it will kick off this automation process. Now, connect your Typeform account to Zapier. You'll need to grant Zapier permission to access your forms, so make sure you're logged into the correct Typeform account. After this, choose the specific form you'd like to use from the drop-down list, and you're all set for the trigger part. Now let's move on to setting up the action. Here, you will choose Zoom as the app. You'll decide on the event you need. If it's a meeting, select Create Meeting Registrant, or if it's a webinar, choose Create Webinar Registrant. At this point, you'll connect your Zoom account to Zapier, authorizing it to create registrants automatically. Don't worry, Zapier keeps your credentials secure. Next, it's time to map the fields from your Typeform to the corresponding fields in Zoom. For example, the form fields like name, email, and company should be connected to the Zoom registration fields. This ensures that all the information from your Typeform entries goes into the right places on Zoom, creating a seamless experience for both you and the participant. Finally, it's crucial to test your Zap to make sure everything works smoothly. Zapier provides a handy testing feature to ensure that the integration runs as expected. If the test is successful and everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish Zap. And there you have it. Now, every time someone fills out your Typeform, they'll be automatically registered for your Zoom session without any additional work from you. This setup is perfect for webinars, online classes, or any events that require seamless coordination between Typeform and Zoom. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!